Hi, I'm Patrick Stutzmann. I'm the commercial director from SOFRAM. The main business of SOFRAM is the integration of different systems and platforms on original chassis. So we produce mainly some protected cabs for different applications. Our main activity is working on Mercedes chassis actually, but we are globally working with all different truck producers like Arcus, like Scania, like Tatra, for example. We worked with Iveco in partnership with Iveco for a big tender. Named PPT project. Iveco delivers the truck, the 8x8 truck. We delivered all the equipment related to the different activities for PPT program. So you have a load handling system, you have recovery trucks. That are the main activity we have done in the last years for the French army. We are working actually for the Belgian army again on recovery trucks, but not on the same chassis. The chassis version for Belgium is a Mercedes Arocs truck with a specific protected cab. We are working for Canada. I think it will be something very open. We are working with General Dynamics, with Mercedes and Marshall.
Welcome to the Nexter booth. My name is Pascal Dumoret. I'm in charge to apply the innovation process in Nexter Group. Well, I would like to show you Stenizza. Stenizza, this is a defensive solution for military and civilian sensitive area. Sensitive area meaning, for example, a petroleum site or forward operational base is done to protect the site. Stenizza is integrated in a modified logistic container, and you can add, if you want, a weapon system or a non-lethal means on a tilting platform. Let me to show you. This is a tilting platform, and you can deploy your weapon system or your non-lethal means according to your needs. The main advantage, you have the higher level of discretion. You cannot discriminate between this traditional logistic container between Stenizza system. Because we are very aware with the logistics, so the no need specific logistic means to deploy, to transport, to move Stenizza. You can use your traditional logistic means as a truck, as well boats, etc., etc. Of course, one of the applications of Stenizza is also the fight against maritime privacy, and you can use it in this domain as well. Stenizza is a particular spider who can dissimulate in the sand and can go up to hit his target. In order to protect as well the Stenizza operator, we can use also a remote control system. This solution is designed by Nexter company, and we expect during this exhibition to show this solution for our customers, French but not only French customers.
I am Samuel Guillaume from Techsoup company, which is a French company based in Annecy, east of France, near Geneva. It's a small French company. We are around 25 people. We decided this year to present at first, because we have a lot of solutions, but at first we decided to present this solution, which is an energy box, which is specially developed for mobility application and for guys who need some energy on outside application. The aim, the target is to provide some energy for all application you can have outside. That means you can use for computer, for communication system, or just for, I don't know, lighting on the camp, for example. The principal advantage of the system is to be used on the system operation. That means that you can recharge the system for all application you can have. For example, you can recharge the system on a car, you can recharge the system with panel solar or for wind system, for example. And after you can use for discharge for computer or for communication system. We make a lot of tests in France before deployment, and we make last year around 3 to 6 months on the outside operation in Africa, for example. It was used, really we don't know what we can use with the system when we are on operating, but we know this system can be used in operation, and it can be used in all environments. That means when temperature is higher or something like that. We don't have some target because we don't know exactly what kind of result we can have. What we do is that when you use such a product in outside or in operating, maybe each day you will find something new to do with this product. So that means that at this time we have just a few units in order, but we hope in the last month to have a little bit more, of course.
Hello, my name is Neil Perriton. I'm the Head of Land Defence for Northern Europe, and I work for the company Xblue. We've decided to display because we're focusing on the Special Forces market for this show, specifically the fin surface unit, which is ideal for RIBs, fast boats, fast attack boats, especially for the surface missions, and the soft market. So this is, as I said, fins is for the naval environment and special forces and marines. Where we're coming now into the Vega and the Lyra, this is ideal for armoured vehicles, UGV, ground-based attack vehicles. So we're now finding that from snowmobiles to ATVs to armoured AFVs and tanks, main battle tanks, to artillery. This INS is ideal, can take up to 150 Gs of power, of force, and is ideal for the military, army and soft market. So within the army market we have the Vega, the Lyra, and just over there we have the Ursa. So we have three key inertial units to cover the market of vehicles for the land domain. So you start from main battle tank and artillery, right down to sort of UGV or small vehicles like the ATV, etc., or for example a Polaris vehicle. That would be ideal for the small sort of, you don't have to have initial accuracy, but these systems are ideal for targeting enemy forces at long distance, so you can then call in artillery and know their location and your location for quick acquisition fire. Okay. If I move on to the gaps, The GAP solution is ideal for diver tracking and two-way communication for divers in the field. So what we found a lot of the time within the Special Forces domain, they're very keen for the training and actually understanding where their divers is for their safety. So often we're finding the safety environment is very important because the water can be unclear. So be able to communicate with a diver who's in trouble underwater and can communicate, you can quickly go to his location and pull the diver out and support him. So that also has a good effect for operations. You can track your divers right up to the beach level, understand where they are at any one point, understand their time and their speed for mission planning, so you know where they are, how they can be supported if in need. And also we have another system called the acoustic release, which also you can support from underwater, which can bring up equipment to support the divers to achieve their mission. The Drix is an unmanned surface vehicle, and this is ideal for either watching or tracking your divers, but also surveying the seabed as you lead to a mission critical analysis. So if you're going in to, say, do an amphibious landing, it would be ideal to survey the seabed, look for any underwater objects or problems that may occur for the divers or vehicles moving into a shore. It's a very capable solution that's now in a number of countries, and a number of navies are now looking at this capability to take forward for mission critical potential warfare.
I'm Joël Collino, thank you. I'm the general manager of Gassy Rugged Systems. The company is 30 years old in the defense area, and today in this show we are presenting some product in robotics and in counter drone solution. We have win some contract for experimental experimentation for the logistic robots that are in Africa now, and we expect in this show to demonstrate to Special Force what we have ready to deliver, to be operational immediately on the main matters today in counter-drone, in robotics and UAV solution. We have two products. These products is logistic robots that can help to carry all the water, ammunition and backpacks to the soldier when they have to move in the desert or in the forest, to have them more efficient when they arrive at the contact of the hostile. This robot can move with the troops just with a joystick at the speed the troops is moving, or can be teleoperate with a small console. Then you can operate at distance with the 5 cameras you have on this robot. The propulsion is electric. There is 8 hours autonomy, and the weight is almost 400 kilograms and can carry and transport between 700 to 1 ton of materials. The second solution that we show here is teleoperate lightweight turrets with target tracking system. Then you can mount it on any vehicles, light vehicles, and to have the operators inside that can operate on a tablet the target designation, the tracking and the firing.